guys, today I'm going to teach you how to turn yourself into an anime. First, you need to download the Chinese TikTok app. Link is on the description box. Just click it. It will prompt you to the application itself. Just download it and install it on your cell phone. Since Chinese application to, mapapansin nyo na maraming restrictions yung cellphone nyo. Just click OK anyways. Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung mga restrictions na yan. Click the red button. Click nyo lang yung symbol na pinapoint ko. And then this will prompt you to this screen na marami mga features. Parang TikTok lang din siya talaga. Tapos mamimili ka dyan. Pag nakapili ka na ng feature, just click that red button tapos pili ka na ng mga pictures mo. So you need to choose here maybe 2 pictures or 3 pictures. Make sure lang na yung pipiliin yung pictures is bright para mas maganda yung editing niya. So here you will see na ine-edit na niya into an anime and hindi perfect yung ratio ng picture sa pinaka-frame. So i-edit natin yan. To adjust the picture, just click the red button again. Tapos yan, choose yung pinakadulong symbol. And then adjust nyo yung ratio. If okay na sa inyo yung ratio, then click OK, yung red button ulit. If for instance, you've decided to change the picture, just click the red button again and then just click the change icon symbol tapos pili na lang kayo ulit ng picture. Here, I stick with the first picture para mas okay siyang tingnan. Tapos yan, adjust ulit yung ratio para pantay siya sa frame. If okay na sa inyo lahat, like pati yung ratio and all that, yung picture, then just click OK to save. Yan yung second symbol. Tapos just wait for it. You need Wi-Fi nga pala or internet connection. You need internet connection for this to generate. Once saving is completed, you can just go to your photo gallery to check if nag-save na. So, ayan, ready na siya. Pwede nyo nang i-watch and pwede nyo na itong i-upload sa Instagram, Facebook, or sa TikTok. Pwede rin. And then kung gusto nyo ng photo, just screenshot. Tapos, pause nyo muna tapos screenshot. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga iba ko pang ginawa na edits. So, ayan, dami nga niyang features, diba? Dami niyang editing style. Then, pamili lang kayo. Ang important lang is pamili kayo ng picture na maliwanag or hindi yung mga super dark. Para mas maganda yung register tsaka yung editing niya. That's it for this video guys. Hope nakatulong ko sa inyo. Have a good one!